Okay guys, this is actually the first time that ever happened to me. I forgot to press the recording button. I did the unboxing and it was not taped. So I tried to recreate the magic of unboxing something. I'm sorry about that if it's all been opened, but yeah, I'll do it again because I want to share that with you. I got 2 records from Analogue Productions. This is my second delivery from them. I got the first delivery was UHQR from Miles Davis. I bought it on the secondary market, otherwise it was totally sold out. But before I go and do the unboxing, I wanted to answer a question I got from a viewer, because he was kind of confused, and it wasn't a mean question, it was just eager to know. He's a European person, very much into jazz, very audiophile person, and he asked me concerning my video about Carole King's Rhapsody, why this record got the complete audiophile treatment. Maybe some of you guys are having the same question. The thing is that this album is one of the most important, not the most important, but one of the most important album in American music history. Carole King is one of the best songwriters of her generation. And the album she put out in November of 1971, it sold, I think, 25 million copies. It's just tremendously good. It's absolutely tremendously good. There are songs on it, Natural Woman, which was covered by Aretha Franklin, Will You Still Love Me Tomorrow, and some other stuff. She has a great voice, and it's absolutely gorgeous, this recording. If you put it on your turntable, you have the feeling that she's sitting right next to you and singing this stuff for you. So this album, next to the importance and next to the huge quality of the content of this record, deserves every audiophile treatment there is, because it's an absolutely great record. If you have the chance to get this package for a decent price, you won't be disappointed. Go and get it. Otherwise, buy one of these hundreds and hundreds of reissues there is. There's also a 33 RPM MoFi version, which is now, with the release of the 45 RPM version, way cheaper. Maybe this is something for you. Quality-wise, this one is better than the 33 RPM version. But yeah, it's a great album. You have to decide for yourself. If you don't want to buy it on record, listen to it on Spotify. You won't be disappointed. It's a great record, and it deserves to be on this release, on this series, because of its importance. I hope I answered that question. Hope you are happy with that answer. If not, I'm going way into detail. The next record, like I said, it's already been unboxed. Never happened to me before. Maybe I had too less coffee this morning. Is Dusty in Memphis. If you have seen my one of my other videos, I'm talking about the Dusty Springfield and Dusty in Memphis album, and what that album means to me. And this is the Analogue production version, and I was trying to get that album for years now. But before the reissue or repress of this album came out, it started with $120. And I wasn't willing to pay that amount of money for it, because yes, you order it now for $60. You have to pay fee and tax and some other stuff. But if you're ordering with and this is what I would recommend to you, if you have some friends or ask people in the vinyl community, I'm pretty sure that 3 or 4 people can get together and order stuff together. Then you can divide that through the amount of people, and it's getting way cheaper. This is what I recommend. Yeah, so when the repress of this came out, I was one of the first to order. On the downside, when I got this record, I won't be complaining about this, because this can happen. The corner is pretty much scuffed. There's a huge seam split up here on the bottom. You can see that on the bottom, and also spine split. I have these records not to be put in a museum. I want to listen to them, and that's why I'm not complaining to this. This can, yeah, it's a $60 record, but this can happen during transportation from the States to Germany, and yeah, this can happen. For me, more important is the music, and I'm opening up. I know some people who are buying these and just putting in the shelves and looking at it. For me, it's important to listen to music, you know, but. Whatever you want, whatever you like. Some people are just buying the new records, putting in a frame, never listen to it. Whatever your heart's desire and you're happy with it. Otherwise, the records are looking great. There are some on side 1. There were some tiny scratches, but I'm pretty. It's on the outer groove. I don't think that it will be any problems with listening to it. This, you know, this can happen. I waited so long for that record, and I'm not giving it back. It won't be any problem with the listening experience. This is a 45 RPM version, and it's considered the best sounding version of that record. I'm pretty sure many of you ordered already from Analogue Productions. When it comes to quality and pricing, for me, this is at the moment the best label. You get a high quality product for a very decent, responsible price, and that's just awesome. And they are now repressing a lot of stuff, so many people who are just getting new into that vinyl thing are having a chance to get the material for a decent price. So this is I'm pretty sure you already know this, the hyper stickers on this, and it says from the original master tapes. I've read somewhere, and I don't know if this information is correct, that the original master tapes from Dusty and Springfield were lost. So when they write there from the original master tapes, I believe them. So maybe this information was wrong and they got hold of the original tapes. Chet Kassem did some wonders back in the years, so maybe that also happened. So if you have more information about this, yeah, let me know. Within the record was this catalog, summer fall of 2021. I'm pretty sure that some of these releases you see are once again sold out, but as you've already heard, they're coming back, and I'm very, very happy about this. The second record I ordered, and I consider it one of my favorite jazz records, is John Coltrane Ballads. I even like this more than Love Supreme, I must admit. Many of you guys will maybe disagree that A Love Supreme is one of the leading best jazz albums out there, but for me, this is Ballads. I'm listening to it all the time. So yeah, we open up, and this is Gateful. And the thing what I really like about this is I paid for the Dusty in Memphis $60. I totally forgot what I paid for this one. It's like I said, many months ago. But you know, it was an ordinary price for a very high quality product, because when I put this out, when I open this up, you can feel, you get a highly, this cover, this Stanton jacket is, you feel the high quality of that product just by the cover of it. You know, that's the Impulse backside. You have here, this is the front cover with the Impulse logo on it, and what came with it was yet another Acoustic Sounds catalog from 2020. Once again, I think many of that stuff is already sold out. A little history of that, I've always liked that. Yeah, this is the record. And what I really appreciate, once again, about these releases is, you know exactly what these people are doing with the covers. You see with the effort they put in it, and what they also do is you get a high quality sleeve. You're not getting these cheap paper sleeve bullshit stuff things. You get a high quality sleeve. So the Dusty Springfield record was 200 gram. This is 180 gram. This is look at this label. I mean, seriously, this is just side A. It's absolutely gorgeous, and the record itself is pristine. There is no little tiny dust on it. Otherwise, it's absolutely gorgeous. No scratches, Nothing. I have seen worse, way worse when I got record. This is just like the way it should be. This is the way I expect a record to be when I buy it. Great packaging, you know, safe packaging. You know, with Dusty in Springfield, this can happen. This is the sticker, Acoustic Sounds, audiophile vinyl reissues from the world's greatest jazz label, mastered from the original Analogue tapes by top mastering engineers, manufactured at Quality Records, pricing on 180 gram, gatefold sleeve printed at Stoughton Printing Company. This is the hype sticker. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that there will be more records I order from them, and I'm absolutely eager to clean the records now up with my record cleaning machine and listen to them, especially the Dusty and Memphis album. I can hardly wait for that. And if it's from the feedback I've heard, the sound quality is outstanding, and the Dusty, like I said, sound-wise, the Dusty in Memphis never sounded better than on this release. So you can be sure I know this album in and out. I have it in certain variations, so I'll give you a feedback on this. But I'm pretty sure it will blow my mind when it is done with the same labor of love. It's not comparable with a UHQR, no question about that. But I'm pretty sure that they put in the best effort they could, and that will be great. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for taking the time watching this, doing this unpacking with me, even if it's the second take. I'm sorry, guys. I would have given you the experience, but well, this can happen. Next time I drink 2 coffees instead of 1. I'm wishing you a great week. If you have comments, please leave them. If you want to write my mails, write them at nadine@souldisco.de. Otherwise, all the best to you guys. Listen to good music, have a good time, and see you soon. Bye.